Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Paulomi. Today we'll be doing a monochrome landscape. It's a very easy painting, yet it's very gorgeous. For that I'm using a stretch canvas and only 3 colors: white, black and yellow. So let's start. Starting by mixing white and black to get a gray shade, and would paint the entire canvas with this gray shade. Try to keep it towards the whiter side, as the values change in acrylic colors. When it'll dry 1 or 2 shades deeper. So now with a dry brush, I'm putting a little bit of black here and there to depict some clouds. Now using a masking tape to divide the horizon. Beneath the horizon, to paint the water reflection, I'm using a mix of yellow and white, and would keep it really bright, more towards the whiter side, and painting it with a thick coat. After the paint is completely dried, now I will paint the land with a pure black. Now adjusting the masking tape, and would paint the horizon with the black vegetation. Keep the vegetation really thin. I don't want to overdo it. Just keep a thin line. Thin because we want the focal point of the painting to be in the middle where we'll draw the tree, and we do not want our eyes to get drawn towards the horizon. After the paint is dried, taking out the masking tape, finally would paint the focal point of this painting, which is the tree. So do take a lot of time in painting this tree, as this is the focal point, and the entire beauty of this painting lies on this tree. I'm using a jet black to paint the silhouette tree. After the main tree is done, I'm using a 0 number round brush to paint the branches. The more branches, the more beautiful the tree would look. So make it really intricate. After the branches are painted, now I am painting the leaves by just putting some haphazard black dots, and it is quite random. Try to put it around the branches. Finally, to complete the painting, I'm using pure yellow and putting some lights and reflections on the horizon to depict a township. So that's the monochrome evening landscape which is completed. Hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to share, subscribe, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Till my next video, stay safe. Bye.